Happy January 10th. I hope you're having a magical day today. And if not, well, here are some other holidays for you to celebrate to hopefully lift your spirits. So the first one is Cut Your Energy Cost Day. Now, I feel like most of us do that anyways. So if the energy companies could also match us on this day and cut the energy cost, it would be wonderful. So, just saying, listening to DTE and Consumers Energy and all those people. All right. Anywho, the next one is National. Go back to that holiday for a quick second. Uh, this one started in 2017, 2018 by Retail Energy Supply Association. Um, Thanks for reminding us that it's really expensive to have electricity and stuff. So, you know, but now we're mindful of it. Thanks. All right, the next holiday is a little bit more fun. National Houseplant Appreciation Day. Now, usually I kill my plants, but I have to say I've had this one, my little aloe plant, for about 5 years, and it's still going. But I do have like a little yellowing here. Oh, wait, this one. So if anyone knows what to do, let me know. I'd appreciate it. But yeah, proud. And this was started in 2012 by the Gardeners Network, just to remind people to take care of your indoor plants like you did your outdoor plants in the summertime. All right, the next one is very delicious. National Bittersweet Chocolate Day. No date to this one, but it is delicious. I like dark chocolate. Normally, we kind of bake with this kind of chocolate. We don't want to have too sweet of chocolate. Um, but yeah, it was invented, a long, 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 long time ago. Chocolate in general. Excuse me, I'm getting a little sick. By Mesoamericans, a long time ago, like 19 to 15 BC. Um, they made it, and then the explorers came, they found it, and then chocolate over the world. So thank you. We appreciate it. 'Cause I love chocolate, all of it, except for white chocolate. I don't know if that's even really chocolate, but that's a different conversation. All right, the next one is National Vision Board Day. So this is a day started around 2015 by, excuse me, um, Killigan. Killigan? Yeah, I'm so sorry. Lutz and Ryan Daly to help promote your dreams. And, we just get a little board, go through some magazines, some things online, print them out, and then we can have our goals in front of us to help us, you know what we want to achieve. So, I don't know. I kind of like this. And I'm so sorry about your name, but it's there. So, all right. The next one is Peculiar People Day. Sorry, I have a hard time saying that one. Peculiar. There we go. Started around 2017, 2018 to embrace how different and unique we all are. And if we were all the same, it would be boring as hell. So embrace it. Don't make fun of people, celebrate them. Be like, oh, I love this about you today. Just be kind to each other. We don't need to be like, "Ooh, well, I don't like that." I don't care what you don't like, Jessica. This is what I like. Thanks. Anywho, the next one, and the last holiday for today is National Oyster Rockefeller Day. And this was started around 2017 in New Orleans by Anton's Restaurant and National Calendar Day. These are the people who put all the fun little holidays together. And they wanted to celebrate this dish that this restaurant made that is very famous around the world in 1889. So I've never had this. I am not, the only thing from the ocean I like is shrimp. Everything else, no, thank you. But I love this journey for you if you do love it. And hopefully you can go to New Orleans one day and try this dish that people rave about. Maybe they have some shrimp and I can try it because I love shrimp. All right, well, that's your holidays. Oh, And if it's your birthday, happy birthday, my friend. Happy birthday to you. I hope you have a magical day and everyone around you celebrates because you should be special. And, well, you should be special. You should be celebrated because you are special. And you should know that. So, happy birthday. Bye.